Hey guys, and welcome to another video with me, Rachel. And today, this is a very unusual video from what I usually do. And I feel like I haven't checked actually. I feel like it's been a year since I last uploaded. I feel like it's been a year. I'm pretty sure it's been a year. Even if I haven't uploaded in a year, I haven't been really uploading consistently since then. So, life update. I'm done with my 4 years of college, and I still have to do one more semester because I got delayed. That was fun. Yeah, life. This is a life update, but I'm not really sure what happened with my life. I went to college and suddenly nothing existed anymore. It's just me in college, and all of this stress and sufferings is it's kind of a mess. It's a total mess. It was fun. It's fine. I have one more semester. Hopefully, just one more semester because I cannot. No more. Oh, right now it's actually summer vacation. I'm waiting for an internship. Hopefully, get accepted. I only applied to one because I said that if I didn't get accepted, I'm not gonna do it at all because no. I'm not very sure what I'm planning to do with my actual life, like my career and career path, like where I'm going, what if I'm gonna get a second degree, if I'm gonna get a master's degree, if I'm gonna get a license and stuff. And yeah, we're not sure about that, but what I'm sure is that I'm gonna try to make more videos because I kind of miss editing videos, but editing pictures, I kind of grew out of it. And in the last 4 years of my college life, I haven't been using Photoshop that much. I use Photoshop for when I create posters for my org. Most of the time I use Photoshop for creating PowerPoint presentations to make them look cuter, you know. I didn't get extra points for those. It was just fun. I just really like that. And yeah, so there wouldn't be a lot of Photoshop videos from me from now on. You might see probably vlogs, not the chit-chatty vlogs because no, it's probably the kind of vlogs that you've seen before in this channel. And so I'm just gonna do a montage of what has been happening in the last year. Yeah, starting from the time that I haven't really uploaded, starting from the time from when I last uploaded probably, and until now. Hopefully I have videos, or this will be like really not helpful at all. just hasn't been awkward enough. I think we've had enough. So thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like this video if you like it, subscribe for more videos, because I hit the notification bell because you know that I am not consistent with my uploads. So yeah, if you want to see more content from me, yeah, that's basically it. Okay, bye.